How are you today, Ngok? Are you?
And I'm good.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. So since we finished our lesson last time, so we will be having a new lesson for today. So
Yeah.
we will have, what is this?
Sorry and listen.
Very good. So we will have story and listening for our lesson for today. So let's go with and listen in our story. So this, can you tell teacher if you hear the sound? Okay, let me
And
this one. Ching.
Listening 12.
Can you hear the sound? Yes. Listening
yeah.
12. Okay. Okay, let's listen to the story.
Listening 12. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
How many brothers have you got?
I've got one brother.
What's his name?
His name's Tom.
2,
How old is he?
He's 7.
3,
And you've got a dog too. What's his name?
Bouncer.
Hello, Bouncer.
4,
Yes, Tom and Bouncer are my friends.
Okay, so now okay, so now let's try to act each of the scenes. So for this one, you will be this girl. So you will be this
Girl.
girls and teacher will be this girl. The teacher is this girl, okay? Okay? So we will do a role play. So let's read this one. How many?
How many brothers have you got?
I've got one
I
brother.
got, I got one brother. What is name? His name Tom.
Okay, very good. So now, teacher has a question for you with number first story. So how many brothers has the girl got? How many brothers has the girl got?
Is what?
He's got
He's got one brother.
very good. And what is her brother's name?
His name Tom.
Perfect. His name's Tom. Good job. Now let's read the second story. Let's go with the second story.
How old, how old is he? He's 7.
Okay, perfect. So now, how, oh, first, who is this? Who is this boy?
This
He
is a
is?
Tom.
Perfect. He
Tom.
is Tom. And how old is Tom?
Mm, He he's 7 years old.
Perfect. He's 7 years old. So now let's go to the third story. This one. Ching.
La, la. Mm, And you got
Got
a dog too. What's his name? Parker. Parker.
bouncer. Okay, one more time. Let's say bouncer.
Hamza.
Very
Hello,
good.
Tom.
Hello.
Hello, Hamza.
Very good. Now, Ngok, what is the dog's name? Hmm.
Yeah. Is Hamza.
It yes, very good. So now let's say its name.
His name is Bowser.
Perfect. So next, let's read the last one. Yes.
Tom and Bowser are my
Okay,
friends.
very good. So now teacher has a question for you, Ngok. How many brothers have you got?
And I have got one brother.
Very good. You have got one brother. What's your brother's name?
His name is Tom.
Is is your brother's name Tom also?
His name Tom.
Your brother? Your baby
Yes,
brother?
yes,
Oh, his name is Tom?
yes.
Oh, the same name as the story? This one?
His name Tom.
Your
His name
your baby brother?
yes.
Yours? Oh, how old is your baby brother, Tom?
He is 2 years old.
Oh, 2 years old, very young. So he's still your baby brother. And do you have a pet?
No, I don't have.
Oh, no, you don't have. How about do you have a friend?
Yes.
Yes. And what is the name of your friend?
Mm, his name Win.
Is?
This one.
How do you spell wound? Is this correct? This one?
No.
Oh,
Kun
oh, okay. Kun. Kun? How do you pronounce that again? Kun?
and is and
Oh, it's N. Kun. Is that correct?
yes.
Oh,
H
is oh, it
H.
has H. Kun. This one?
Yes.
Okay. Is Kun a boy or a girl?
A girl.
Oh, so her name is Kun.
Win.
Yes, so we will use her instead of his. And how old is Kun?
And
She?
she is um,
How?
8 years old.
Oh, 8 years old. Wow, that's very good. So you only have a one friend, or Kun is your best friend? Best friend. So when we say best friend, it is our special friend amongst all of our friends. So Kun is your best friend?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's perfect. That you have a best friend. So very good. So thank you so much for listening in our story and expressing your idea with your
Listening to
friend. Okay, so next. So now let's go with our second activity. So we will ask and answer about Lucy. So
It's
let's read,
green.
yes, let's read the first question. What is the first question?
How many brother has Lucy got?
Very
She
good.
got one. What's
Perfect.
his name? His name Tom.
Very good. Again, how many brothers has Lucy got?
She got one.
Perfect. And what's his name?
His name Tom.
Perfect. Very good, Ngok. So next one. Let's go with this. Okay, we have that one. So next, so we have here our next activity. So Ngok, this is a family tree. So it shows people in your family. Now in this activity, Ngok, you will draw about or you will draw your grandparents and parents. What do they look like? And you will write their names here. This one. For example, this is my example. So, for example, this is my grandfather. This one is my grandfather. And my grandfather's name is my grandfather's name is Josefino. This one. So you will write your grandfather's name after drawing, okay? Especially your dad and mom. And you will also draw your. Okay, now let's start drawing your family tree. Okay, it's your turn. Let
Okay.
Okay, let's draw. So after you draw your family, so you will introduce them to your teacher, okay? Okay, so
The
take your time in drawing.
uh, huh?
Can you draw? Can you draw?
Okay, I
Oh, you can.
can.
Okay, go, go.
Um, grandfather is
So while you are drawing, so let's listen to a music. Okay, so tell teacher if you are ready to introduce your family, okay?
okay. My dad, my mom, me, finish.
Wow, that's a very good drawing. Now, can you tell me about your grandparents and parents and you? What is their names?
I
So,
couldn't find the remaining line. Um,
go, 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 go.
I don't. I can father. I don't. I don't. I don't.
Oh, you don't know their names for your father,
This is
grandfather?
that. This is land. This is
Oh,
grandmother, mother. This is my grandfather, mother. This is my grandmother, dad. This is my grandfather, dad.
How about your dad and your mom? What is your name?
The mom is on. The dad is E.
Okay, can you tell teacher? This is my mom. Her name is
One
Juan. How about your dad?
is C.
CE? Is that correct?
Yes.
Ooh, Juan. So your mother is Juan. It's Mrs. Owen. Your father is CE. How about you? What is your name? You can say
This
this is me. My name is
this is my name is now.
Ngok. Wow, very good. Good job in this activity, Ngok. So you did a great job. Your drawing is so cute. Wow. So your this one, is this your father's side or mother's side? This grandfather and
This
mother.
this
It,
is your grandfather, mother, my your dad. This is your mom.
oh, okay. I see. So thank you very much for telling me about your family and drawing them. So very good, Ngok. So next, let's go with the next activity. So you will listen and write name or number. So first, let's listen or let's read this one. Let's read the first sentence.
Yeah.
Psalms.
Sam got not brother, but he got two
Oh,
sister.
very good. So let's listen to number 2.
Listening 13. Listen and write a name or a number.
Has Sam got a brother?
No, he hasn't.
No brothers. Oh,
But he's got 2 sisters.
how many?
2. Yes, there's Jill,
How do you spell Jill?
Jill.
And how old is she?
She's 12.
12.
Yes. And then there's Kim.
How do you spell Kim?
Oh, that's Kim.
Thanks. And how old is she?
Oh, she's a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
Oh,
But Sam's got a cat.
oh. What's the cat's name?
It's Chippy.
That's a funny name. How do you spell it?
Chippy.
I like cats.
Yes, I do too.
Okay, so now let's listen one more time to check your answers.
Listening 13. Listen and write a name
Let's
or a
listen one
number.
more time.
Has Sam got a brother?
No, he hasn't.
No brothers. Oh,
But he's got 2 sisters.
how many?
2. Yes, there's Jill,
How do you spell Jill?
Jill.
And how old is she?
She
How do you
Okay, one more
spell
time.
Jill?
Jill.
And how old is she?
She's 12.
12. And how old is she?
She's 12.
12.
Yes. And then there's Kim.
How do you spell Kim?
Oh, that's Kim.
Thanks. And how old is she?
Oh, she's a baby.
A baby?
Yes.
Oh,
But Sam's got a cat.
oh. What's the cat's name?
It's Chippy.
That's a funny name. How do you spell it?
Chippy.
I like cats.
Yes, I do too.
Okay, so now let's read your answer. What is the name of the first sister of Sam? What's the name? It's
Is chilled.
Chill. Is it chilled or Jill?
Chilled.
Chilled? Are you sure?
Is
Let's listen one more time.
CH.
At CH. Let's listen to the spelling one more time.
Do. Yes, there's Jill.
How do you spell Jill?
Jill. Jill.
How
J I double L. So the answer is Jill. This one. Jill. So J I double L. And how old
Oh,
is Yes, it's okay. It's okay. So how old is Jill?
12.
12. Very good. How do you spell 12?
C
T
E L B E
Yes, very good. Or we can write this one, 12.
L.
1 and 2. So very good. So Jill is 12 years old. And what is the name of Sam's other sister?
K
Kim. Very good. How do you spell Kim?
I M
K-I, letter
M
M. Very good. How old is Kim?
is a baby.
Very good. Kim is a baby. And what animal does Sam has?
The same goes a cat. His
Very.
name is Chippy.
Is it Chibi or Chippy?
Chippy.
CHI double P and Y. Let's check if your answer is correct. It's
Chippy.
Chippy. Yes, you still did a great job because you got the spelling closest to its sound. So still very good in this listening activity. No? So good job. So next, wow, it's the end of our lesson. But before we end our lesson, so do you still remember the family members that we have talked about? What are those family members? We have
We have a grandfather,
what are those?
a grandmother,
Grandmother and
grandfather,
very good. How about the parents? What are they? What do we call them?
and that father,
Ah,
mother,
perfect job. How about the siblings? The one we call siblings.
a
It is
brother,
Prod.
sister, baby.
Yes, wow, very good. Brother, sister, and baby. How about what will be our answer if this is our question? How many sisters have you got? What will be the answer?
I had blah blah blah.
I have a blah blah blah. I have got. We will
I
answer. I have got.
train 12,
You have 12.
12.
How many sisters have you got? Or how many sister have Sam got? How many sister?
I have a lot
Sam?
of
Oh, you have a lot of sister? How many? I have got only one or two. I have
Is
got or two sister.
a lot of
I have got a lot of sister. Okay, how many brothers have you got?
I have a baby brother.
How many?
This
It's
one.
only very good.
One.
I have got
I
one.
have got one baby brother.
Wow, very good. Good job, Ngok. Now let's open our next lesson here. So I will introduce you the new lesson for you to have like idea what will be our next lesson for Friday. So let me just open the lesson material here. Let me see. Okay, so lesson 3. So this would be our new lesson next time. How can I open this one? Okay, this one. So this will be our new lesson. Can you see the screen or can you see it?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we will learn still about what is our lesson about. It's family.
Family and friends.
Very good. Family and friends. So for this lesson, so we will learn about feelings. We will learn about feelings. So these words.
Feeling.
Yeah, so when we say feelings, so these are what we feel. So for this one, are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's say yes, I am happy.
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you sad?
No. I
No,
don't.
I'm not sad. Are you funny?
No. I'm not funny.
Okay, very good. So this will be our lesson next time. So it's all about feelings, but we should, since we still have time, so we will have this one. So what is our first feeling? What's our first feeling?
He's
It's
happy.
happy. Very good. Can you show teacher how can you be happy? Can you show your happy face like this one? Can you show your happy face? Or can you draw? Can you draw what is happy? Or what do we look like when we are happy? We are happy when? So
When
when we smile like this one. Ting. So we are happy when we smile. So when we say happy, so we feel good. So we are happy about something. So what we will do? We will
mm,
smile. Yes, very good. Like this girl in the picture. She is smiling. So next, sad. Let's go. Very good. That is smiling. You are happy. How about this one? What feeling is this?
she is sad.
Very good. So how can you show teacher your sad face?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. How about funny? Fun-
Um.
When we say funny, so we make yes, we are laughing. Go like that. Okay, so that is funny. So that will be our lesson next class. So for this one, Ngok, so we will end our lesson here. So good job in completing another lesson with teacher. So you did a great job in our story and listening today. And thank you very much for attending our class today. See you again soon. Bye bye, Ngok. You now rest. You can now take your rest. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.